Survey sites usually pay you for completing individual tasks, while gaming reward apps pay you for reaching milestones inside mobile games. That difference means survey earnings are generally more predictable, while gaming rewards depend on how much time you're willing to invest. By the end of this video, you'll know which option typically offers better earning potential, which one is more consistent, and which fits your schedule. Here's the short answer. If your goal is steady payouts, survey sites are usually the better choice. You complete a survey, qualify for it, finish it, and receive the reward according to the platform's rules. Each task stands on its own, so you don't have to spend days progressing through a game before earning anything. Gaming reward apps work differently. Most reward apps partner with game developers and pay users for reaching specific milestones, such as completing levels or achieving certain objectives. The rewards are tied to those milestones, not simply the amount of time you spend playing. If you stop before reaching the required goal, you may not receive the full reward. That makes gaming apps less predictable. Some games are easy to complete while others become much harder as you progress. You may also find that certain offers expire before you finish them, or are only available to new users. Reading the offer terms before starting a game is essential because each promotion has its own requirements. Survey sites have their own drawbacks. You won't qualify for every survey you attempt. Platforms often screen users based on age, location, interests, or purchasing habits before allowing them to continue. That means you may spend time answering qualification questions without completing every survey. The best option depends on how you like to earn. If you already enjoy mobile games and don't mind working toward milestones over several days, gaming reward apps can make your playtime more productive. If you'd rather complete shorter tasks whenever you have free time, survey sites are usually a better fit because the work is more straightforward. No matter which platform you choose, cash out regularly and review the payout rules before investing significant time. That helps reduce surprises if an offer changes or a reward requires additional verification. So which pays more in 2026? Survey sites generally provide more consistent earning opportunities because each completed survey produces its own reward. Gaming reward apps can sometimes produce larger individual rewards, but only if you successfully complete the required game objectives. The bottom line is simple. Choose survey sites for consistency. Choose gaming reward apps if you enjoy playing games and don't mind working toward longer-term rewards. If this comparison saved you some trial and error, like the video and subscribe for more honest app comparisons.